Plastic recycling in the campsite. We're in Botswana, very far northern Botswana, the Tsodilo Hills, the mountains of the gods, the sand people who live here. And so today, like my last few days, we're going to be recycling beer wrappers by the fire. Now, whenever you're recycling plastic, even at this level, one thing's for sure, you're going to need a lot of plastic. So we chose to use beer wrappers. Just going to find someone to drink all this beer now. There is the mold made by Lani Services, Johnny in Johannesburg. It's a 2-piece mold, and that big heavy piece fits in that piece over there. A very simple operation, and the mold acts firstly as a press, a hot press, and then it also acts as an oven. I'll show you that later. Yeah, very simply just line the mold with aluminum foil, what do you want to call it? Different plastics that I've got going here. That's what we're after. LDPE. That's also LDPE. That is 2. That's not. That is. That's not. That's not. That's not. That's not. That is. That is. And that is. They're out to dry right now. They've all been cleaned. So we've got almost virgin plastic, which can be recycled very easily. LDPE is one of the best materials. And I'll talk about the gas and the fumes now when the fire's going. Okay, we're heating up the lid. Don't have to do this, but it will help a little bit, and that's going to come on over to the mold, which is all ready with its beer wrappers, good to go. The lid's going to go in there, and then the whole lot's going to go back on the fire. Okay, there you go. There's the wrappers, and the lid's on. Easy process. The lid's quite hot, but not hot enough for you not to be able to handle with the gloves. Just got these cool ones here that work great. Okay, edges trimmed and ready to go. The edgings we put into another bag, which I'm going to show you just now a bit later how to make that into a fishing lure. But for now, this is going to fire. And we're cooking with no gas. You'll see there's no burning or any fumes possible. They're all just contained inside let's call it an oven mold. Anyhow, once the plastic on the outside starts melting, I can see that the inside is definitely melted through, but putting the top lid in the fire for a while really helped, because as I stuck it into the mold, it made the top part all shiny and smooth, just how we wanted. So yeah, about 10 minutes I suppose. Just imagine a kettle 100, don't go too much, and move it around all the time to make sure that it gets an even coat of heat underneath, which I'll be doing now. You can notice that some of the plastic on the outside is melting but not burning, but that's a good indicator that pretty soon this is going to be ready. Yeah, melting a little bit. It's getting very soft, but nothing is burning. That's the point here. There's no fumes. It's like a closed oven really. And these outside pieces of plastic can be your indicator. If you can just easily pull them out. No, not quite ready, just a bit more. Okay. Alright, we finished cooking. Looks good. We'll cool it down with water, and I'm gonna peel it open shortly. Okay, always wear gloves. Trusty old monkey wrench. What do you want to call? Aha! Came out. There's the finished product. Very simple. I'm just gonna peel it out now. It's still quite hot. But there we go. Another fused together 7 layers of LDPE sheeting, which I'm going to use later on to fix a Land Cruiser. And there it is. Just pops out. We'll take the foil off, and you've got a sturdy piece of LDPE. What you want to do with this stuff? I mean, it's strong as hell. It's 7 layers thick. Sturdy stuff. This one's 10 layers thick. It's got some LDPE foil foam sheeting added to the Windhoek stuff. There's a coaster, we made that a few days ago. These are just balls of plastic. I'm not sure what we're going to do with them, play golf. And that, my friends, will become a Kona to catch marlin with. I'm going to show you how to make that next. Coming right up. Right, okay, phase 2, making a lump of plastic. Chuck that mold on. The oven mold made by Johnny from Lani Services in Joburg, new style steel in fact. And yeah, maybe he'll make you one too, but you can make your own. All it is a piece of plate, and then Johnny's got a cutting machine which made that beautiful cut, and the insert of the cut is the roof. That's all there is to it. It's a solid piece of steel, but it acts as a compressor as well as an oven. So I'm going to show you now exactly how to make lumps of concrete, of plastic. Once again, no fumes or nothing. All you're doing is heating up that piece of steel, which will fuse the plastic together. Right, and a bag of plastic. This is LDPE once again, and just a whole bag load of off-cuts and pieces I've cut off from what I was doing earlier. I'm going to put the roof on now, and I'm just going to melt it. This thing is very heavy. This is half the trick. Okay, we'll just balance all that up again. Perfect. Now when that lid falls down flat, then I know the plastic's melted. Nothing's going to burn. Nice and hot, but make sure it's uniform around the whole place. Alright, that looks good. 10 minutes, I suppose. We'll check back soon. It's starting to melt already, it feels like. Hey, it's gone flat. Yeah, that's melted. Okay, I'll take it off and we'll give it a go. Right, we might be a bit underdone. But basically you'll see that it's a gooey substance. Check that glue stuff. Anyway, just wrap it all up into a ball. It's a bit raw. It could have cooked it longer, but it's still going to do the trick. So just bunch it up like that. Put your gloves on, roll it up, and we're going to stick it in a mold. Cool. Okay, we've nothing else in the campsite, really. So I've stuck the plastic inside this toilet roll. I'm going to shove it, compress it with the two sides of the two thicker tiers, and let's see what happens. Okay, well, it's really, really hot and dusty in this Botswana place. Non-stop. What's inside here? That might be the mold. This could become a cone one day. What do you think about that? Not too sure. Alright, I'm going to just let it cool off and take it to the next step. Into some water. Let that cool off for a while. More plastic to be recycled from its irresponsible corporates. It's too hot out there, so we're under the shade. Sorry about the bad lighting, but here we go. We've popped out the starting of a cone. How are those nice colours, eh? Gotta get that toilet paper off, but there's some nice pinks and stuff going on there. But okay, here we're gonna straight away show you the end result. That is a jetted chugger made from recycled beer wrappers here on the campsite at the Tsodilo Hills in Botswana. So we've made the Kona. Check that, man. It's got eyes, the whole story. I still got to put the place where the skirt goes on, but that's easy enough. And there's 3 silly little trays, but they're strong as hell. It's LDPE, and these two will be used to fix the Land Cruiser.
Windscreen. The remains of the windscreen. You're a courageous countryman.
Thanks, man. Thanks for the reminder. 3-2 battalion support crew. Military ruins. Pick up PAL military ruins. 3-2 battalion support crew. The deserters. As for the rest of them, you would not believe the atrocities that happened here. Bye-bye, 3-2.